Good morning. Happy December. It's December 1st. I'm Carrie from Blissful Moments in downtown Monson, Massachusetts. I just wanted to talk to you today about Cryoskin and your health and any New Year goals you may have. Maybe you have a cruise scheduled. Maybe you have a wedding. Maybe you have anything that is important to you coming up and you don't feel confident. You're dreading going. You don't know what you're going to wear. You're not happy with yourself. Being happy with yourself doesn't mean being like all the people on TikTok that are perfect and, maybe everybody tries to be like the people we see on TV. Those people are filtered. They're made up. They're not real. Even back to Playboy. Playboy had filters. Playboy was photoshopped. It's not realistic. Let's look back at Marilyn Monroe, Ashley Graham, Anna Nicole Smith, the larger models. Those are real women. Being healthy doesn't mean the perfect body, the perfect curves. It means being healthy and happy in your own skin. When was the last time that you put on an outfit and went, wow, I really feel good today? You know what? It can be now. If you don't feel good about yourself, you need to come see me. I will help you with your nutrition. I will use the machine on you if you're ready for that. All it is simple sugar carb control. I'm going to ask you what you ate for the last 3 days, and from there I'm going to tell you this is what I think you should do. And if you follow it and stick to it, it's easy. You get to eat. You're not going to starve. It's just an easy, healthy way to get the weight off that you've been holding on to for all these years. Maybe you're a mom, maybe you're a dad, and you just didn't have the time to work out, and you sit on the TV at night and eat your chips and eat your ice cream. And you know what? That's okay. That's part of being happy. That's part of being normal. It's just learning how to do it where it's healthy for you. And if you do gain some weight, you're going to know how to get it off. So if you want to come and change your life and have the confidence that you need to do better in your personal life, your professional life, you need to come see me. We are down to earth here. It's very discreet. You can come in, you can tan, you can have your hair done. You can have cryoskin sessions, whether it's toning, whether it's slimming. Maybe it's a facial that will tighten up your whole face. Don't get Botox. Don't shoot stuff into your face. Come see me first. And then if you want Botox, and that's fine too. Some people may need Botox. Maybe that is what your face needs to regain the youthfulness that you're looking for. The machine is just as good as Botox, and it doesn't hurt. You're not putting anything foreign underneath your skin. I have a client, and I call her my poster child. She came to me with a very swollen belly, and you know what? She took everything I said and utilized it. I'm going to give you the tools you need to make your life the way you want it, whether it be 10 pounds, whether it's 20 pounds, maybe it's 40 to 50 pounds, maybe it's even more. I can help you, and you will know how to do it for the rest of your life. You won't need me anymore. You won't need Weight Watchers. You won't need Jenny Craig. You won't need any diet pills, because you're going to have the tools you need to keep yourself healthy after you come here. My name's Carrie. Please call at 413-575-2524. We reinvent people. We transform people here. Your confidence is the most sexy thing that you can have. Confidence, you need it everywhere, all day, everywhere you go. Just to go out of your house, you need confidence. And here is where you're going to get it back. I hope to see you soon. Have a good day. Bye.